Today the girl truck, which is a 2009 Dodge Dakota, gets new TPMS sensors. These are the original sensors from 2009. The flashing TPMS light came on the dash when I scanned each sensor individually. The driver's side front was the only one that was active. I hooked the scan tool up to the ODB2 connector and got the same result. So today I'm going to program new sensors, get them in, and get that light off the dash. So this is what I'm using. The XTool is probably the cheapest of the TPMS programmers that you can buy. Paid $129 for it on sale on Amazon. It's typically about $159. These sensors, you can only program XTool sensors with this, although it will read all brands of sensors. So if you use other brand sensors, you need to buy them pre-programmed and then activate them. So I've already programmed these 4 sensors, put them back in the box, labeled them. As you can see, FL, that's the front left. So let's get them in the truck and see if it fixes it. Changing these sensors is pretty straightforward. On my Harbor Freight tire machine, I just break down the outside. Use these rim clamps in the back to hold it down. And as you can see, makes it very, very easy to put the new TPMS sensor in. So this will be a pretty quick job. I'll come back if there's anything else that I think is noteworthy. Here are the old stock 2009 Dodge Dakota TPMS sensors. I'm surprised they lasted this long. Again, 3 of the 4 failed what appears to be all at the same time. After I placed the sensors onto the wheels, I just had to break down the outside. Took it for a 1/4 mile drive, and the light is gone. Another job done. I'll leave a link to the XTool TPMS programmer and the sensors that I used in the description of this video. Hope this helps someone.